and they have a solve Leetcode 253 meeting rooms. It's basically, mama meeting rooms, mama meeting intervals, right? See, based on some intervals, we are meeting times, right? Based on some meeting times, mama rooms are here now being here and sana, which my meetings winning now successfully, right? For example, mama meeting where you say meeting. My meeting 0 to 3, 0 to 30, 5 to 10, and 15 to 20, right? And you say meeting back on started 0 to 30. Back when to start 5 to 10, and I will start 15, right? Just by looking at it, Nibetman who said meeting way 0 to 30, no, I bet cover 3 meetings, 2 other meetings we need. But oh dear, you're representing on a number line here how it will look like. So your 0, 5, and 35. First meeting, I started from 0. Sana kwa 30. Right. The next meeting is starting from 5 to 10. In TM, say we started from 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock. And then the last meeting is starting from 15 to 20. Okay, we are. You can clearly see, say, with my meeting way, we are not going to meeting way. But the meeting way course what? Not a meeting room and meeting room here back up there. Meeting way course what? Want to mean committee way, right? It's clearly no. Be here meeting back for all this time. Meeting room back for way, right? We are 1. Near here meeting back 2. The meeting room 2 be to my way. If we are near assign the meeting room 2 now assign I way, right? Until we will just need 2 rooms. But how are you to me, right? Until meeting in our start time in here, right? Meeting back on in our start time. Start time back on start 0. Now back on so I started 5. Now back on so I started 15. Right? And a meeting also end times now, right? We in the 30. Right? And back on also end the 20. And now back on also end the 10. Right? Inti. Yenim say meeting the ending 10 pound 10. Right? Inti meeting be started. That's a meeting, no. Ebe end 10 o'clock. Meeting be ebe started be right. The person started meeting be ebe here room for 4. The person started meeting be before 10 ebe here room for 4. Into we are see a person started meeting a person started meeting 0 na meeting na e course on ebe end 10 right. Meeting 0 ebe here 1 room. You be saying here another 1 room because we, but the meeting we started 15 and you here room be right, because room back on our be because it started after last meeting and I started before meeting we are course to 20. You be saying here you here room be because space that on my way to my way, right? You know, so room. One room, but has a near here room because meeting I course that and we ain't which way you should have me room now as another meeting, right? You can see, but the thing is, you see a sorting and see a sorted now we are 10, we are 20, now we are 30. That way, you have 0, you say 0 no meeting a course. Meeting at the ending 10 pound, be ending 10 o'clock. Inti you start meeting and up to 2 0. You to me used to 10 o'clock room. You say the room back will count, right? 15 or so. You back meeting started 5 o'clock, right? 5 o'clock meeting air course. Inti you to me used to, because meeting air course and air course 10 in another room. But 15 there, you need to meeting way 10. The next meeting class person started 20. Into some meeting where you bet me use meeting room way. Right? Because we now we meeting room way up on into bet me use 5 now. Right? Basically, you know, that is the approach, right? So the things we need to do is say, you see, collect it all start times, and then you hear all end times. Now, I'll say sort your money now in increasing order, right? Into the meeting, most recent meeting by the 10, you to me starting meeting 0, right? You bet me use our room no after some meeting and then after some meeting I meeting before start here. That's how until we say no. Here another room for this first meeting, here another room for this second meeting. But the next meeting, the another room we are available because the meeting ended 10, right? Meeting we are starting 0. Okay. So yanko share the way I bet me I solve this problem way. And the first young gather end times on our start. Until we be returning array, right? But I will say a sort, you know, like I said, you know, sort we I say, right? And you bear the same thing for end time. The end, and I say sort end. Similar thing. We will sort it into in an array and intervals, end times for interval in intervals, right? And to say in say meeting end time and index. And index is equal to 0. And our rooms are being here for meeting at this point. We initialize it at 0. Into for start in sort starts if start is less than sort and index even here room back into be incremental room, right? Else we'll see you move it to the next meeting end time, right? Into and index plus or equal to 1. You are near returning number of rooms. and intervals start. Right. Okay. Sorted. My message T was starting. Okay, so rooms so my message S. Oh, okay. All right. So this is how I solve meeting rooms to Leetcode. Let me submit it and say be Robia Oma. How do you actually it? Oh, okay. All right. Nice. So this is how I solve meeting rooms, right? Or sort start times, must sort end time, no. So meeting be started before and a meeting for by India will be in another room, right? Basically, that is the idea or the approach problem where you go. All right, thank you very much. See you in the next one.